The splash block is one of the simplest ways to direct water away from the home, helping protect the foundation, landscaping, and overall curb appeal.
Made from durable plastic, it's built to handle the elements.
With multiple color options available, including black, gray, green, and brown, it blends seamlessly with the home's exterior while delivering critical protection.
This isn't just an add-on, it's an essential part of a complete drainage system, ensuring water is fully redirected from the home for long-term performance.
On new home builds, the job is not completed without meeting the state codes. A drainage solution is required to obtain a certificate of occupancy, making splash blocks the perfect fit for completing a system.
It directs water runoff at the base of the home, protects the structure, and completes every downspout installation.
So with the splash block, we're not just finishing the job, we're setting the standard.